Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm here to share with you today some products that I have received from In Love Arts. So if you've been seeing In Love Arts unboxings and projects on YouTube and were wondering what they were, what it is a website that has lots of wonderful things that you can craft with, including dies and other products that you can use in your crafting, as far as junk journals, paper crafting, really lots of different types of crafting. So I ordered a few things, and I was going to show you what I ordered and let you know they're going to, all the products I ordered are going to be linked below my video. So if you would like to check the specific product out, just click on that link. And also I'll have a special coupon code just for you to click on, and if you want to order something, you can get 15% off. So that's awesome of them to do. And so let me show you what I got. So the first thing I got right here, and I kind of did a little demonstration here for you too, so you can see what it looks like. And so this is some really cute washi tape. I love it because you can use this. See, it's the ABCs. It's very vintage looking. And it's also, you know, basically kind of generic. Like you can use this color on just about anything, right? Tags, journal cards, pages in journals, even the cover of journals. So, you know, and then of course there's many other uses for washi tape, but that's just some of the things I use washi tape for. So that is the washi tape, and I wanted to show you how it looks on some paper. So I put some right here on this coffee dyed index card so you could see what it looks like. It's really kind of neat because when you put it down on something, the tape part actually kind of disappears and you just see the alphabet or the ABCs. And here is another piece I put onto some coffee dyed paper. Isn't that neat? I just love it. So I can't wait to use this some more in my crafting. So those two things, and then let me show you something else I got. So that was the washi tape. And I'm going to show you this again in a second because I put something else on there. Washi tape. So then I picked up these Pom Poms. They were in a little bag, but I put them in this bowl just so you could see them a little better. And first of all, they're a beautiful color, and they have many different colors. So you can get, I believe it's, I think it's 200 Pom Poms. It'll be in their listing, but something like that. You get 200, and that's what I got of this color. And it's kind of a almost a lavender, but more on the pink side of lavender color Pom Pom. And I'm going to link below. I already did a project with these. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it below. It's a little, I made a little pom pom tassel. Really cute. I mean, here is a piece of extra piece I made just to demonstrate when I was doing that video on how to string the pom-pom. So, you know, if you can imagine this in a whole tassel, you can imagine how cute it would be, right? So many uses for pom-poms too, but this is one thing I did with them. So that video will be linked below so you can see how to make a pom-pom tassel. So that was the pom-poms. And another thing I picked up was this. It's called Scrapbooking lace paper, and they look like little doilies to me. And there's several different designs here. Like, it's not just one or two designs, it's several different little designs like this right here. You see the outside trim there. And so, you know, of course there's lots of, you know, ways to use like little papers like this that look like doilies. And so what I would do with them is either use them white like this, or coffee dye them, or you can dye them any color you want because they are white. That just leaves it open for you to, you know, make them whatever color you want. Look at this one, how pretty. Isn't that beautiful? So those were beautiful. There's several pieces here. Let's see if it tells me. I've got my little list of things I ordered here. I'm trying to see if it tells me how many are in here. I don't remember. But this was the pack right here that I received. So, and it came in this nice little kind of acetate type almost glassine, but more toward the acetate type envelope. So that was neat. I get to play with that too and have some fun with the packaging. So that was that. Let's see, what else did I get? Okay, so these are Creative Series Retro Art stickers. So here they are. They're very vintagey looking stickers, but they're like acetate. If you've ever worked with acetate, you know it kind of goes down when you stick it to something, and it looks like the backing just kind of disappears because it's clear. And it also came in this nice package of, I want to show you the packaging here. It looks like ledger paper. Isn't that cool? I love the packaging too. So, and lots of stickers there. You can see how many. There's a lot of stickers there. So that, and I stuck one down here just to show you a little demonstration also. I had the washi tape here on this coffee dyed index paper, card. And then I put one of the little stickers right here, and it kind of blends in with the whole look of this, the vintage and the color. So that is a little label, one of these little stickers I put right there, so you can see what it looks like. Let's see, and the last thing, I think that's everything except for one more thing. I want to make sure I didn't forget anything. I think I got everything, yep. So this last thing is these really beautiful kind of acetate, they are stickers, and they are like, plants and leaves and like ferns and things like that is what they look like to me. And they are, let me just show you one so you can get an idea what they look like. Isn't it beautiful? And when you stick these down, they just look like a plant, like they almost look like a real plant is what I thought. Let me see if I stuck one down anywhere. I have my papers here. I guess I didn't stick one down yet anywhere. Okay, I thought I did. Maybe I used it in a journal. Nope, didn't look like I stuck one down anywhere. But I will show you. I'm going to do a couple of videos after this and show you how I use these items and these products. And so I will be working with the little, the greenery here. And actually, I think this was extra. I don't know if they put it in for support of the package, or for backing or whatever, to make the package strong so nothing would get bent or anything. But this was in my package too, and it's a nice piece of cardstock, which has music on it, and it's very vintage looking here too. So I think this is not something I ordered. I think it was just a little extra piece that they put in, and of course I'm going to be able to use that in my crafting too. So that is everything I have to show you for the In Love Arts unboxing, and thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the little goodies that I received, and stay tuned for crafting with these products. So I'll see you next time, and don't forget about the coupon code and all the product links below. That does help me out so that In Love Arts will continue this relationship with me and send me more products to show you. So I really would appreciate you checking out my links, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting.